Let's review. Let's see if you remember. What's the sound A
I should
makes?
sit also in.
Here, sit on me. What's the sound A makes? Ah. What does B make?
B, Papa.
Good. C.
C.
And
E.
ah, you forgot what the sound is D make.
D.
Good.
E.
What does sound is E make?
E.
No, E.
E.
F.
F.
Good.
F.
G.
Go.
Or
J.
J. You're close. J. H. What comes after H? I. You forgot?
I.
No,
A.
Good. Man, you heavy. You breaking my legs. Wait, okay. What comes after I?
My head is so cold.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Oh, J. I'm so bad.
Say K, E, F.
What? Okay.
J.
So J.
Say K.
J goes what?
Gaga.
No. J. K.
Elijah. A butterfly.
A butterfly. You got distracted.
A butterfly. David, where's that little book?
What about K?
Oh, what is?
I know, but we're reviewing because you know it already. See? Ready? Sounds. A to I. We're doing K. What sound does K make? Good. L.
I have to look for the letters.
You want to look for it?
Yeah.
This is A to I. And this one is J to R. So look for the letter. We're on the letter L now. Look for the letter L. Open the book. That's P. So you got to go backwards. M. And then L. L says...
Light bulb.
No, don't look at the pictures. L says what? What sound? Good. You said light bulb. That's a lamp anyways. Okay, what comes after L?
See, light.
Yeah, see lamp because lamp and bell. They both have the L sound. M.
Ted.
What does M say?
Ma.
Don't look at the picture. I know you can read already. He's already reading it. What? The M. What does M say? All right now. Yeah. Yeah. What's N? N. Elijah.
Josie, she's all right. She's fine. Josie, get over here.
You almost swapped it.
Okay, we're on N. M says So N says
Matt.
So M says good. M mat. But we're doing the sounds for now.
Ma.
Good. I know you know the words that start with M. He's too advanced. Because we gotta review first. Map. Mop. Mat. Max. What else?
Mouse.
Good job. That was another one. What's another one that starts with M? Wait, what about this? Is this right? Popcorn?
Good.
Is that right?
Yeah.
No, it's not. You just like it because it's food.
Pop.
That's popcorn. What sound does that start with?
Map.
Elijah.
Map.
Elijah.
Map.
Elijah. No, not napcorn. Popcorn. What sound goes puh? What letter?
Popcorn.
What letter goes puh? I'll give you two choices. It's either
Papa.
Papa, good. It's either
Pop.
M, O, or P.
Which
Which one goes puh? M, O, or P?
Oh, you the butter.
You silly boy. What does O say?
What?
Okay, what does O say? Ah. What does O say? Elijah. Elijah. Come on, yeah. You done? You done? Are you done?
You know
You know what?
I'm done.
Okay, I need to hear you say it. I'm done, Tati. I'm done, Lilin. I want to hear you say it. Say I'm done. I want to hear you say it. I'm done. Say I'm done. I want to hear you say it. Because you're a silly boy. You done? Are you done? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I asked you a question. Which one goes puh?
B.
Nice, thank you. You were just being silly, you know it. So P is popcorn, not M.
Pop E.
Yeah, pop, P.
Dot B.
Poppy, yeah, that's daddy.
Pop. Poppy.
Popcorn. What else starts with P? Pillow. Pop. Okay, that's an easy one. What about?
Bed.
Wait, what'd you say?
Bed.
Ped?
Bed.
Bed?
Yeah.
Bed. Let's see. Bed. Bed. I don't think that's
start
right.
B.
I don't think that's right. What?
I should do B.
I know you want to do one that starts with P, but you did one that started with B.
I should do that.
Okay, I'm gonna help you. Don't get upset.
B. Bed. I should do bed.
But bed starts with B.
I
You
should
know?
do it. I should do B.
Then let's do B now. What sound does B make again?
Bed.
No, what sound does it make?
B.
P goes p. B goes b.
That looks the same thing.
It's almost the same thing. See, P, let me see your mouth. It goes p. And then B goes b. Yeah, there's a difference. There's a difference. There's a big difference. Pat and bat. Pail and bail. Ped and bed. Pet and bed. Bet. Whoops, I messed up. It's windy.
Maybe I get home quick.